Welcome to Redline Review. The electric 2026 BYD campervan combines high-performance engineering and imaginative, functional interior design. This zero-emission RV from BYD, a global electric car leader, is fast, comfortable, and stylish. Performance dual-motor all-wheel drive electric drivetrain in 2026 BYD Motorhome produces 600 horsepower and immediate torque. It can travel 700 kilometers, 435 miles between charges. The RV can charge 80% in 35 minutes with BYD Blade battery technology. The drive's low center of gravity and clever suspension system make it stable, smooth, and whisper quiet at highway speeds. Exterior design: smooth aerodynamic proportions, a wide panoramic windscreen, and LED matrix lighting define the futuristic exterior. The RV has 22-inch aerodynamic wheels and a completely integrated solar panel roofing. Its sleek front fascia and BYD's iconic lighting strip give it a futuristic flair. Classy interior design: a trendy, eco-friendly environment with cutting-edge smart home technologies and sustainable materials awaits. The main bedroom contains a king-size memory foam bed, LED mood lighting, automatic curtains, and a personal entertainment system. Noise-insulated walls maximize seclusion and comfort. The bathroom suite has a touchscreen-controlled anti-fog mirror, rainfall shower, heated floors, and a bidet-equipped smart toilet. Clean water systems use BYD's filtering technology. Living area: a large living area with a 65-inch retractable smart TV, vegan leather couches, a foldable desk, and a translucent or opaque panoramic glass ceiling. Fully equipped kitchen with smart induction cooktop, digital inventory managed refrigerator, touchscreen controlled oven, and mini dishwasher. Quartz countertops are reclaimed. Climate and light control: smart sensors can adjust house lighting and temperature. Control everything with the voice assistant, smartphone app, or primary touchscreen. Features and tech: integrated solar array for off-grid support and backup energy. Hidden garage for e-bike or scooter. Semi-autonomous highway cruising with BYD Intelligent Drive Assist. Satellite internet and global 5G connectivity. AR windscreen for navigation and hazard detection. An intelligent energy management system for economical power consumption. Beyond a car, the 2026 BYD Motorhome is an all-electric, self-sufficient, elegant mobile house. Modern travelers may enjoy cutting-edge performance, creative design, and eco-friendly comfort in this RV, whether traveling abroad or camping.